Miss Nichols here, your backyard biologist. And yes, I'm standing in my forsythia bush here. We're going to be forcing some blooms from cuttings this spring. The tools you're going to need is some sort of container, either a vase or a bucket, and a good pair of pruning shears. And of course, some forsythia. You want to look for buds that are along the ends, and you want to cut about 1 foot to 2 feet down. Notice I selected ones that have really nice buds on it. You can do as many as you wish. You can also do other species. Find yourself a sturdy container because you want something that will not tip over. Hi, kitty. For that very reason, kitty. You're going to want to put a couple inches of water in the bottom and then put your cuttings into there. So for example, here are my forsythia that I cut. You'll notice the angles at the bottom. You can also do something called red stick dogwood. Look at these beautiful red colors. Here is a peach tree that I have in my yard. I also have a flowering quince. Careful, this one bites. You can notice if you look closely the little tiny red buds on there. This has lovely orange flowers. I also have some pear trees from the backyard. They look very similar to the peach trees. I'm going to put them over here. I also have some lilacs. And lilacs, you can actually tell by the color of the buds. You can see the purplish one on the left is from my purple lilac, and the really green one is from my white lilac. And last but not least, one of my favorites are pussy willows. These have already started sprouting because it's mid-March here in Maine. But I would like to see if I could get these to root so I can also make some more plants in the future. They're all in my bucket. You want to place your bucket inside the house where it's warm. You want to place it in a bright room, but not in direct sunlight or near a heater vent. This is Miss Nichols, your backyard biologist. Ooh, a bee. Take time and get outside. Hi, buddy.